We're back with breaking updates coming in. India's active COVID-19 cases have crossed the 4,000 mark with a total of 4,026 cases being reported. Kerala remains the worst hit with over 1,400 cases, followed by Maharashtra and Delhi. Officials say most cases are mild, but states have been alerted to step up surveillance and preparedness. My colleagues Sabyasachi as well as Arpita are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, there is some fear over the COVID cases increasing, especially considering now schools will be opening up as well. What are the details of the measures that are being taken by the government?
Well, that's right. See, here in the national capital, Delhi is the third worst hit state currently after Kerala and Maharashtra. And at this particular time, extra vigilance are being maintained by the Delhi government. As you were rightly pointed out, the schools are going to open. And at this particular time, heavy precautions need to be taken at different public and private schools as well as in different public spaces. In fact, the Delhi government has also directed the Delhi government-run hospitals to increase the number of COVID beds in the national capital and to make sure that all the necessary arrangements are there in place, like oxygen supply and other equipments which are extremely crucial at this particular time because so far around 5 people have been reported to die because of this COVID variant, and that is the reason why the Delhi government is maintaining extra precaution at this particular time.
Extra precautions to be taken, but also the government advisory is very clear that don't panic, mask up, take precautions, and there is no reason to worry. Arpita, one of the highest number of cases has been reported from Kerala, and this is one state which has consistently seen high number of cases, but it's also because of the aggressive testing that takes place in Kerala. What are the details of the measures being taken by Kerala, especially considering it sees a lot of footfall from people outside the country and also going to different parts of the country?
Well, Kerala is one of the Kerala is the worst affected state in COVID cases, where over 1,400 cases have been reported from the state. But the Chief Minister and Health Minister continues to say that there's no need to panic. The number of cases are coming up because there is an increase in testing in the state. There's a lot of people coming from abroad, and the tests are done continuously to monitor the situation in the state, because of which the numbers are coming high. And the minister has clearly said there's no need to panic, but they've also said they're prepared to tackle the issue in all the hospitals. They have increased ICU beds and other facilities. RT-PCR test kits are available in all the hospitals, and they have advised elderly people and children to mask up when they go to hospitals or other public places. In fact, they've also asked people to get tested as soon as they have any symptoms of COVID or any other symptoms of cold and fever. So this is how Kerala is tackling the issue. But end of the day, the Chief Minister and the Health Minister have clearly said that there is no need to panic. The state is well prepared to handle the issue.
Okay, all right. So the states are prepared, and we've defeated COVID once. We can do it again. But of course, it's important to mask up, take precautions. Sabyasachi and Arpita, thank you for joining us with those details. Breaking